Section 10.2 Arithmetic Sequence. Objective number 1. Determine whether the sequence is arithmetic. Example 1. We want to know the sequence 3, 9, 15, 21 is arithmetic. If it is, we want to find the first term A1 and the common difference D. To recognize the sequence is arithmetic, we just take out a pair. They have to be next to each other. The general idea is that we can take out the A1, we need to be specific for the name, and then A2, then we will do the subtraction. So 9 minus 3, we got the answer is 6. Now we double check another one. So let's take A2 and A3. So A2 is 9, A3 is 15. We will do A3 minus A2. So 15 minus 9, we also get 6. So we see that the common difference will be 6 because we take out the two pairs and we find out that they get the same answer for the common difference. Then this is the arithmetic sequence. And to find the first term is number 3. So A1 is 3, which is the first term, and the common difference D is 6. In example number 2 and example number 3, it's more general for us. They don't list out for us a number. We can find out S1, which is the first term, S2, S3, S4, S5, so that we got the number just like example number 1. Or you can do the other way. So this way is more general. So let's think about Sn. Sn, so any location you will get is 2n plus 7. What about the next location? The next location will be n plus 1. For example, the first location is 10 that you pick. The next one have to be plus 1, which is 11. So the next location of Sn is S of n plus 1. This is mean that you will plug n into the function or the sequence. So you have 2, n plus 1 plus 7. So you got 2, n plus 2 plus 7, and it's equal to 2n plus 9. Then we want to show that that sequence is an arithmetic. We just find the difference. We will subtract. So Sn minus plus 1 minus Sn. So we get 2n plus 9 minus 2n plus 7. And we will get the answer is 2 because we open parentheses and combine like terms. This telling us that after we subtract the two terms next to each other in the sequence S, we got a number. There are no variable. So that number means that is the difference. So answer this question, the difference is 2. And the first term, to find the first term, we just go ahead and plug n equal to 1. Then n equal to 1, we get S1 is 2 times 1 plus 7. So S1 is 9. Example 3, we want to show that the sequence Bn is not arithmetic. So similarly, like example number 2, they want to show that the sequence is arithmetic. So let's assume that we will copy the same way as example number 2. So we have Bn is n squared. Now the next one have to be n plus 1. Then you plug in n plus 1, then you get n plus 1 squared. Now you take the one in the back, which is bn plus 1 minus bn. Then n plus 1 squared minus n squared. Now let's subtract them. Let's expand the n plus 1 squared, and we get the answer is 2n plus 1. So in the answer, you have the variable. You compare from before, you have the number when you subtract the two terms. When you subtract a two term, you get a number. So that number telling you that the sequence is arithmetic. If the number, the answer that you got is not a number, but it has a variable inside, then it is not arithmetic, because